There are 4 types of search in gaia.eco. We will take a look at all of them and see their particular benefits. All right, let's start with a single taxon search. Sea eagle, which lives in Norway. White-tailed eagle, as it is actually called in English. Let me clean up the map and let me be then more specific. White-tailed eagle. Great. Now, let us do a test with the Latin name. Let me copy it from here. I will clean up the map again and search for Haliaetus albicilla. This is a single taxon search. You're searching for one species or a high-level group, such as birds. That's also a single taxon search because birds are also a high-level group on the tree of life. Okie dokie. Now, let us do a single taxon search with a relationship. Monarch butterfly. Let me select pollinates and let's take a look at last quarter worth of data. All right, now we've got the monarch butterfly together with the plants it pollinates. Let me turn off the images and I can see that the related species which it pollinates are blue. These are the blue dots on the map. And the monarch butterfly is the yellow dots on the map. Then comes the multi-taxa search. You take a comma-separated list, like in my case, whales, hummingbirds, and corals. And it will take each taxon separately, no matter where it is on the tree of life. May it be just a species or may it be a high-level group. And then it will select all the species for all the taxa specified in the search. All right, here we go. Whales, hummingbirds, and corals. Now I can make a tweak to that. I can take the Antillean crested hummingbird, wipe my map clean, and let's just search whales, Antillean crested hummingbird, and corals. And there we go. We've got the bottlenose dolphin, we've got the Antillean crested hummingbird, and we've got a couple of corals as well. So this can save a lot of time. The comma-separated list can be up to 50 items long. So if you have a CSV full of taxa, just paste it in, save yourself time with fetching data. The fourth and last type of search is the internet search. It starts with a hashtag. No hashtag, no internet search. You have to type in the hashtag. And it will first creep through the internet, list species which map that description, and then based on those species which come back from the internet, it will do the observation search. In this case, we've got the big hunting game in Africa. I've got the hippo, I've got the lion, I've got the leopard, I've got the wildebeest, right? And these are scattered across the tree of life. They're all animals, but they are pretty scattered on the tree of life. Then the next example is edible delicious mushrooms which grow in Nordics. Now there are plenty of mushrooms in the world, plenty of mushroom species, but we want delicious and edible and that grow in the Nordics. So let's see where we are in the world. We're in northern Germany, Denmark, southern Sweden. And here I've got the chanterelle, which is considered the gold of the forest. Definitely edible, definitely delicious. We've got the yellowfoot and we've got the porcini mushroom. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Mediterranean Sea and how invasive fish come through the Suez Canal. Gaia figures it out and gives you all the invasives which have no business in the Mediterranean Sea. Next video will be about the Gaia AI assistant, which then transforms all of this data into insights and reports. David, out.